Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share large files online using your PC, laptop or even your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, open up any web browser and then head on over to toffeeshare.com. And now ToffeeShare, what this website is, it's to share your large files directly from your device to anywhere. So you can send files of any size directly from your device without even storing anything online. So as it says, it's got no file size limit, peer-to-peer, blazingly fast, end-to-end encrypted as well. So to use this website and to send large files, simply click on the click to browse or drag files here to start sharing. So go ahead and click onto that and then choose that large file inside your PC, laptop or even your mobile device. I'm just going to click this random file in my folder. I know it's only 66 megabytes in size, but it's just to demonstrate how this works. So here we go here. So OneDrive setup. So this is the file that I'm going to be sending. One thing to remember, like when you are uploading the file, large file, don't close that window, otherwise it will stop the upload. So once your upload is finished, it will come to this part here, but because like I said, it's only 66 megabytes in size, this upload, so it's pretty much instant. But if you got a file that's like 10, 20, 30, 50 gig in size, it will take a bit of time, so just be mindful of that. And now once that is done, what you can do is copy this, or you can scan that code. If someone is nearby, they can scan this code here. You can send it via Facebook, these are different apps, LinkedIn, etc., email. So if I go ahead and paste this here, so this is toffeeshare.re receive OneDrive setup.exe. Click on download to start the download. So as you can see here, it's downloading it. And just wait that out, and yeah, that's it guys, how to send large files online.